So what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. This time we'll be tying a brassy kind of pattern that is made out of this soldering wick, which is a copper, and this is like a flat braided copper which I found online, and I thought it may come to a good use, especially when you're wanting to tie like brassy looking flies that you're fishing in like running water. I'm using a Czech mini jig from Ahrex in the size of 12, and I'm using a tungsten slotted bead in 4.6 mils in the cobalt color from Semperfli. Thread, of course, classic waxed 8/0 in black. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And pay attention to that. I'm struggling to do my very best, even though I'm undergoing a cancer treatment right now. So it'll be very helpful if you support me. The link for the support is in the description of the video. Here we have 6/0s and 8/0s and 12/0s, which I just received from Semperfli, and it's they have this yellow label in it, and it has 110 meters on the spool, which means it's at a better price than most of the stuff on the market right now, so you get more for the money. We'll start by attaching the thread to the hook shank, and this is something that I thought of, like fishing in stream water here in Iceland, like running water. Many people were telling me they wanted something like heavier, like more copper, thicker copper wire. So I went online a few weeks ago and found this one on eBay. I can put the link in the description if you just comment on the video. And to take a piece of that, and then we wrap that around the hook shank, like make it tightly fastened to the hook shank, secure it with tight wraps, and then we take the thread forward. This is like a super simple pattern, as you will see. This has only 2 materials, but for reinforcement we will put the sap gap on under the body, just to make sure everything is in place, and everything will stay in place. This sap gap is getting old, unfortunately, here in Iceland. Depends on where you buy them, like in which store you buy them, if they have a new stock or like a stock that is getting a bit older. But we'll wrap this without any wire or anything. This is just going to be the body material, and we will wrap it with touching wraps, and even more than that, it's going to go over itself again, like so, and then we squeeze it and turn it on the hook shank. It's not going to be looking like a perfect body at all, but it's going to look interesting enough for the fish, especially Arctic char and these species I'm after in stream water, even sea trout. And speaking of sea trout, you could even take this and put rubber legs on it or something like that. We'll do that in another video, but I'm just showcasing you how easy this is. And this is a copper wire, a braided copper wire, and this is how I wrap it on the hook shank. The wire will get like this green color when the copper gets weathered, but to prevent that, we will, at the end of the once we finish tying once we finish the fly, we will put like put varnish on the body to secure it. It's also to prevent water resistance. But as I said, this is a super simple pattern and very effective. For the color, I will use like just like a couple of strands of Peacock hearl, and this is like a totally beginner's and idiot-proof pattern in that way. It's simple and it's beginner's friendly. I'm not shouldn't be using the word idiot, but it's totally beginner friendly, and you can use this Peacock hearl, or you can use synthetic Peacock from Semperfli. 1 millimeter would be very cool, 1 or 2 mils for this, and then we'll catch our Peacock hearl with the thread and secure it down to the hook. Then we'll do like the web finishing job very soon. Remember, of course, to like, share, and subscribe. And I have this varnish here. You can use your varnish, whatever it's gonna be, like a cellulose varnish, which I have here, or if you want to use a UV glue, it's just actually doesn't matter. But it matters to like seal the body off with this. It's gonna make the fly last much longer, and it will reduce the water resistance. So what I mean with that, it's when it's sinking to the bottom or to the preferred depth you have if you're fishing it under an indicator. This coat will make it help sinking a lot faster. And as I said, remember to like, share, and subscribe. We are almost to an end here. You can support the channel, share the video. You'll find a link in the description to support me. I will very much appreciate that. I'm doing a full cancer treatment now, and hopefully we'll be finished next year with that thing. But as I said, wish me luck, and I'll do the web finishing here. Got the thing off, and the brassy is ready. So I will see you guys in the next video.